What is up, guys? We are back on the channel today, and we're gonna go ahead and go into masterclass because I had to bring the spacers for the front to get it aligned, and they did some other stuff on the car, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you. And I'm gonna show you something right now so you guys can check it out too. Hold on. And boom, we got the M240 back. Let me tell you something, guys. You don't want to have crappy people work on your car. You know, I feel so bad because some people you actually, you want to see them do good, and they just always end up doing shitty work. But sometimes you just got to do the work yourself. And, some people just don't want to take responsibilities for their things. But anytime, I'm going to tell you right now, do your own work sometimes. I know sometimes you have the money to do it, but just do your own work. And then you don't have to worry about people's mistakes. But the M240 was back. We fixed it. I actually have listed the car for sale right now, but I don't really want to sell it, but I don't know. We're going to see what happens. If I get the offer for it, I'll let it go, but it's back right now. I'm probably going to take off the Volks this week, but we're here. So we went ahead and put the kit on. As you can see, it looks real good. The body kit's on. We're going to end up lowering the car just a little bit more, and then we're going to be raising the front. Let's see if I can get the key so I can reverse it just a little bit. So here's the front end with everything on. Car's looking real good. So here's the front end on. It was looking solid. Here's the side they started wet sanding that side, so it's kind of dusty, but as you could tell, like, everything looks good. I think the front end looks crazy. Hold on. So they're gonna go ahead and get over and start finishing up the car this week since they put the kit on. Everything looks good though. I think the car looks great. We gotta lower it just a little bit. The spacers are on now, I already put them on. So we fixed the issue with the rubbing. And this is pretty much the car, man. Everything is what you're gonna get. And then we're gonna redo over the interior soon. So that's gonna be next.